Ladies and gentlemen, today, I want to talk to you about the presence of synthetic indices on Tradingview, a renowned online platform for charting, technical analysis, and trading. Tradingview provides traders and investors with a plethora of financial instruments, ranging from stocks and commodities to forex and indices. Now, let's delve into synthetic indices. These unique financial instruments are designed to simulate the price movement of an underlying asset or market index. They are crafted using a combination of derivative instruments, ensuring that they closely track the performance of the underlying asset or index. On Tradingview, you have access to an extensive selection of synthetic indices for analysis and trading purposes. These synthetic indices represent various markets, such as stock market indices, currency pairs, and commodity prices. By utilizing synthetic indices, traders can gain exposure to specific markets or assets without the need to directly trade the underlying instruments. So, how can you access these synthetic indices on Tradingview? It's quite simple. You will find a link in description, https://tradingview.deriv.com/deriv, or you can either search for them in the platform's instrument list or utilize the convenient built-in search function. Once you locate your desired synthetic index, you can effortlessly add it to your chart. Furthermore, you have the flexibility to apply technical indicators and perform detailed analysis, just as you would with any other instrument on Tradingview. It is important to note that the availability of specific synthetic indices may vary depending on your broker and the data providers integrated with Tradingview. Therefore, it's advisable to consult your broker or explore the platform's available options to ensure you have access to the synthetic indices you are interested in. In conclusion, Tradingview empowers traders and investors with the inclusion of synthetic indices within its platform. These synthetic instruments offer a unique way to track the performance of underlying assets or market indices. With a wide range of synthetic indices available for analysis and trading, Tradingview provides an excellent opportunity to gain exposure to specific markets or assets without directly trading the underlying instruments. Thank you for your attention. And I hope this presentation has shed light on the availability and significance of synthetic indices on Tradingview. Thank you so much for joining us on this exploration of synthetic indices on Tradingview. We hope you found this video informative and insightful. If you enjoyed the content and found value in it, we kindly request your support. Please take a moment to like this video, share it with others who might benefit from it, leave a comment to let us know your thoughts, and most importantly, subscribe to our YouTube channel. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with our latest videos on various economic topics, ensuring you never miss out on valuable insights. Your support means the world to us, and it encourages us to continue creating high-quality content. Thank you once again. And we look forward to seeing you in our future videos.